run! Run, run, run! Wishwood, man. Run, 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 run! Run, run, run! Woo! Whoa!
Pretty good, those hiking boots she's got on.
Ah, they protect her little toes. Oh, you just have picked up trash all over the beach, haven't you?
Here, Ems, I think. Is this trash?
Put all the toys you have, and you find the
Can I have this?
trash
Yeah.
to play with.
Yucky.
Yucky. Thank you.
Thank you.
Look at all the toys you have.
Whoa. Look at her tongue.
You put sand in my cup holder. Hey. Hey.
Did you do that? Now in goes the cup.
Hey. You.
Oh, you're so hard at work.
Hey. What are you doing?
Hey!
Hey.
Now what? Hey!
Hey. Wow. Wow. You're crazy.
Wow. Pound that sand. Oh boy.
Whoa.
You missed.
Hey, what did you do?
Did you put sand in there?
Hey.
Did you? Is your tongue going? Let's see your tongue.
La, 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 la. Are you a birdie when you do this?
You know, she found a clip. Oh,
She'll be there for hours.
she can figure out where the other end is. Do you have sand on yourself again? Is that funny?
Should we open the water bottle and you can put sand inside?
Try your scoop. Here.
Your grandpa's gonna help you. Turn around.
Turn around, Grandpa will help you.
Want to put sand in your bottle? Here, you do that, and I'll hold the bottle for you. Ready? Whoops. There you go. We got some in there, see? See it down there? Yeah. Put a little more in there? I'll hold it for you. She had to see if it was really working. Scientific. There, better. There you go. Got some more here. Okay. Alright. Yeah. And it doesn't stay on there very good. I don't know, we got pretty much, let's see. See the bottom? Let's see.